Hello student, I am Hemant sir and today we will continue with our chapter called real numbers that we have started in previous video. So in previous video we have discussed about the number and their relationship with other numbers. Okay, we have understood already about by using Venn diagrams. We understood about the natural number, whole number, integers, rational number and real numbers. Now today we are going to understand the properties based on the arithmetics, the properties of the number based on the arithmetic. That means we will understand of the properties of the real numbers in arithmetics, that is in multiplication, division, subtraction and addition. So there are four types of the properties. There are four properties of the rational number we can say. So we will start the properties of rational number today. So the rational numbers have four types of property. First we have the commutative property. The property we have commutative property. So commutative property we will perform in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we have to write commutative property. So first property of rational number is commutative property. Commutative property. The commutative property, this is the property of the rational number or other numbers in which the addition of the first number to the next number is always equals to, let's understand with the help of example. Let we have a plus b. We have a plus b. So we know the a plus b will always equals to b plus a. Is always equals to b plus a. That means आप 3 plus 5 equals to 8 होता है, या फिर 5 plus 3 कर लो, इसका मतलब भी क्या होगा 8 होगा. So we can, this is the first property of addition of the rational number. Okay, a plus b or we can say b plus a. So this is the addition of two number. First number is added to the second number is always equal to when second number is added with first number. Like this property is called as commutative property. If we will write 5 plus 3, we know 5 plus 3 equals to 8, or you can say 3 plus 5 which is also 8. So they are the same. That means this property of the rational number is called as commutative property. Is called as commutative property. Likewise, this is for multiplication. This is for addition. This is for addition. So for multiplication, if we will write a into b, which is always equals to b into a, which is always equals to b into a. Likewise, if we will multiply 5 into 3, we will get 5 3s are 15. Or we can say 3 into 5 equals to 3 5s are again 15. So multiplication if we will perform, okay, so this property works on addition and multiplication only. Okay, so the multiplication of two terms, we can say the multiplication of first term to second term will always equals to the multiplication of second term to the first term. This property of the rational number is called as commutative property. Okay, so you have to write down the first property. This is for multiplication. And this is for addition. Okay, so you can write all those दोनों property को लिखना है and with example also. So here the example. Okay, so write down the first property of rational number. किसी भी दो नंबर का एडिशन ऑलवेज यानी फर्स्ट नंबर का एडिशन सेकंड नंबर से विल ऑलवेज इक्वल्स टू द एडिशन ऑफ सेकंड नंबर विद फर्स्ट. Likewise, the multiplication of first number with second number is always equals to the multiplication of second number with first number. This is the commutative property of rational number. So if you want to write, you can write. So now we will understand the second property of the rational number, which is associative property. Now we will understand this property with the help of one more example. Or we can say we are the first write, then we will understand the example. If we will say A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C will always equals to A plus B plus C. Here we have taken three terms, first, second and third. Okay, so this is the property of addition, and this property is called as associative property for the three terms. In commutative property we have taken two terms only, but here we are taking three terms. So the sum of three terms is always equals to, that means the sum of first two terms with third term is always equals to the sum of first term with other two terms. Okay, like we will understand with the help of example. Like we have taken 5 plus 3 plus 2. So 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 is 10. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. If we will perform the same numbers with this property. So what is A? We have A equals to 5, we have B equals to 3 and we have C equals to 2. Okay. So now we will perform this function. What is A? A we have, that means A plus B plus C. So what is A? We have 5. So 5 plus, in bracket we have 3 plus C is 2. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 is again 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. See, here and here the answer is the same. That means we can say the addition of three terms in any sequence will always equals to addition of those three terms in any another sequence is will be the equal. ये चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. आप किसी भी नंबर को किसी भी ऑर्डर में आप एडिशन करोगे, then there the addition will be equal. Like here we have taken example where the addition, आप sequences change कर सकते हो. You can change the sequence, but the addition will be the same. Now we will understand the second associate property for multiplication. So if we will write A into B into C will always equals to A into B into C. Here we have again taken A equals to 5, B equals to 3 and C equals to 2. We will understand this also. So I am writing this portion with another ring so that you can write easily. So we have to write property first. So a property A into B inside bracket and into C. So what is A? We have 5. So 5 into. What is B? We have 3 inside the bracket and into C we have 2. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 into we have 2. So 15 into 2 is 30. Now we will perform the second commutative property, associative property for the multiplication. We have A into B into C. So what is A? We have 5. So 5 into. What is B? We have 3. So 3 into. We have 2. C equals to 2. So 5 into 3 2s are 6. So 5 6 are 30. See, the multiplication of three consecutive or any three numbers in any order, their product will be the same. So this is all about the associative properties of the rational number. So you have to write these two properties along with their solution or example. So this is the example for addition, and this is the example for multiplication. Okay, so this is all about associative property. So if you want to write, or you can take a screenshot. Now we will understand the third property of rational number, which is identity. It is a very simple one, students. See, let's understand a plus 0 is always equals to 0 plus a, and which is always equals to a, which is always equals to a. आप किसी नंबर में 0 को ऐड करना है या 0 में किसी नंबर को ऐड करना है, वो हमेशा अपने जो नंबर है उसके बराबर होगा. That is we have to understand with the help of example. So this is the identity property of rational number. Okay, like we will understand with the help of example. So we have a equals to 5. So we can write 5. We have to write property here. What is property? A plus 0 equals to 0 plus a, and which is always equals to a. So we have a is 5. So 5 plus 0 equals to 5. Then we have 0 plus a means 0 plus 5, which is again 5, and this is equals to a equals to 5. So these terms are equal. That means such property of the rational number is called as identity. It says if you will add 0 in any number, or you can add any number in 0, will always equals to that number. The number is here we have taken 5. तो 5 में अगर आपने 0 ऐड किया तो 5 रहेगा, या फिर आपने 0 में 5 ऐड किया तो भी वो 5 रहेगा. तो 5 रहेगा इसका मतलब वो उस नंबर के बराबर है जिसको हम यूज कर रहे हैं. This property of the rational number is called as identity. Okay, now this is for addition. This property is for addition. Now we will understand the identity property of the rational number for multiplication. So a into 0 is always equals to 0 into a, and which is equals to 0. किसी भी नंबर को आप 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करो वो 0 होगा, या फिर नंबर 0 को किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करो विल 0. वी अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल. प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? a into 0 is equals to 0 into a, and which is equals to 0. So we have a equals to 5. So 5 into 0 is 0. Then we have 0 into a, यानी ही 0 into 5, it is always 0. और ये किसके बराबर है? a 0 के बराबर है. Okay, so this is the multiplication property of identity for the rational numbers. So this is the second property for multiplication of identity. Okay, so its property says if you will multiply any number by 0 or 0 by any number, that the answer will come 0 always. Okay, आप 1000 को 10,000 को कितने भी बड़े नंबर को अगर आप 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे that becomes 0. और zeros आप कोई भी नंबर ले लो, x, y, z, रेशनल, इरेशनल, कोई भी नंबर को अगर आप 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करो वो विल बिकम 0. Okay, so this is all about the identity property. So you have to write identity properties with their examples. So this is for addition and this is for multiplication. So write down the third property of rational numbers. So now we will understand the fourth property of rational number, which is inverse. Inverse means opposite. किसी भी नंबर का अपोजिट किसी भी नंबर को उसके अपोजिट नंबर से आप क्या करोगे? ऐड करोगे, मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. देन व्हाट वी विल गेट, दैट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इन इनवर्स प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द रेशनल नंबर। सो हम सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे एडिशन के लिए। एडिशन के लिए इनवर्स प्रॉपर्टी कैसे वर्क करती है। सो सपोज वी हैव टेकन नंबर ए प्लस इसका इनवर्स क्या होगा, इसका इनवर्स होगा माइनस ए, इसका इनवर्स होगा माइनस ए। सो ये हमेशा 0 के बराबर रहेगा, ये हमेशा 0 के बराबर रहेगा। किसी भी नंबर को ऐड करेंगे उसके इनवर्स से, सो वो क्या होगा, 0 होगा। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल। सो वी हैव a equals to 5. So what is property? Property is a plus minus a equals to 0. Now we have to place the value of a here, then we have to calculate and we have to observe whether it becomes equal to 0 or not. अगर 0 हो रहा है then we will say inverse property for the addition is correct. So a we have 5, so we have to write 5 plus here minus, what is a, again it is 5 equals to 0. So 5 plus into minus is minus, we have 5 equals to 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0, so we have 0 equals to 0. अगर ये 0 आ रहा है that means हमारी जो एडिशन प्रॉपर्टी है that is इनवर्स प्रॉपर्टी which is correct. So किसी भी नंबर को उसके अपोजिट साइन नंबर से अगर आपने ऐड किया, अपोजिट साइन नंबर सेम रहेगा बस साइन अपोजिट रहेगा, अगर आप ऐड करोगे so you will get always 0. किसी भी नंबर से उस नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो that will 0. Okay, now we will see the inverse property of rational number for multiplication. So in multiplication property, if we will multiply any number with its inverse number, then we will get 1. Means a into 1 divided by a, we will get 1 always. Okay. So now we will understand this by example again. So we have a equals to 5. So we will put, we will use this property. A into 1 divided by a equals to will come 1. So we have a equals to 5, that will be 5 into, we have 1 divided by a is again 5, it is equals to 1. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled by 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 into 1. So this is the multiplication property for inverse for the rational number. So here we have completed all the 4 properties of rational number. So this is the very important that you are going to use in your exercise and solve problems. So you have to understand all these 4 properties. Okay. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।